Hello little artist. Today we draw a cute little house, big tree, and bright sun. Let's get started. Welcome to Colorful Art Hub.
Start with a rectangle for the main body of the house. Add a triangle on top of the rectangle for the roof. Draw a door and windows. The door is usually a smaller rectangle in the center of the house, and the windows are squares or rectangles.
Draw a straight vertical line for the tree trunk. You can make it thicker towards the base. On top of the trunk, draw a round or triangular shape for the tree canopy, leaves. Add texture to the trunk by drawing small curved lines along its length to represent bark. Draw a circle in the sky for the sun. It can be placed in a corner of your drawing or above the house. Add rays around the sun. You can draw straight or wavy lines coming out from the circle.